Weichai engine, low power, unknocking. So ayan guys, tanggalin natin yung 4 na injector kasi malakas sa diesel at knocking siya, low power din. So tanggalin natin at palitan ng bago. Uninstall injector malfunction number 6. Uninstall number 5. Uninstall injector number 2. And then the last one, number 1. Number 6, number 5, number 2, number 1. Injector malfunction, overfueling, cause of knocking. Install injector number 6. Number 5.
Yang kuno ko.
Gumalpas ka. Number 2.
May kumpleto ka stick. Yan do, kato.
Number 1.
May kuno nang isda. Down isda.
Install ready. Number 1, number 2, number 5, number 6. New injector. Good. The engine is